Hey, how's it going? I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own group. Creating a group is pretty simple and it can be self-explanatory in this, but yeah. First we're going to start off at the Roblox homepage. It's just home over here on the left, or if you go to roblox.com, it probably just puts you to this. First we want to go to groups. This is where we'll be creating it. And when I click create group down here at the bottom left, and this will put you to the create group page. You have to have a name for it. I'll put I love monkey study. And you have to have, a description is optional, but I'll put one for this. I'll put monkey study. You can either select an image from your computer. Clicking this will open up your files, and you can click an image to put here. But I can drag and drop one. I'm just going to drop this in. And this is the logo that I would use. You can set some settings at the start. For example, anyone can join, or it has to be manual approval. Anyone can join just means if they click on it, then they're automatically going to join. But manual approval just means that if they click on it, then you have to approve them, and then it'll let them join. Also, you have to have a unique name too. So for example, if I put cars, then it's not going to let me create it with this name because it's probably already taken. For example, it does cost 100 Robux to make a group, but if I click on this and click purchase, it's probably going to say, yeah, this name is taken. So make sure you have a unique name that is unique to yours. And so yeah, you click here and click purchase, and it'll create a group for you. I think they tagged the word monkey, but it's okay. This symbol is just here because it's just waiting to make sure that your emblem or logo is safe. And yeah, this means that they're just waiting to approve it, basically. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.